So these are the back. Um, Welcome to Malta, guys. Okay, 2020 is here, and on the Civic we made some upgrades. We have Ksport coilovers all around. Now I didn't do an unboxing of these as I got them on Friday and I was sick during the weekend, and on Monday we've installed them. I will show you the back. So these are the back. Welcome to Malta, guys. Okay guys, so these are the back one, and you get this key where you can turn, I believe, this way. Left is soft and right is hard, and you have 36 adjustables. So its best practice to first set them up as 20 all around and then suit your needs.